Hi folks, welcome to MTS. Today we're going to do an unboxing. This is the Halloween Legacy PA AA set, and I also splurged and went ahead and picked up the Halloween PB Super Bass. These were featured in the 2024 Volume 2 catalog, which I'll include a picture right here. Oh, there we go. I've noticed the last couple items I've picked up, they actually have the Lionel seal on the clear outer bag that protects the box. So interesting. Yeah. But yeah, we have this is the Legacy. It's got the Bluetooth controls, Legacy rail sounds. It's got fan-driven smoke. Operates on an 0.36 minimum curve, so I'm kind of excited about that. As you know, my layout that I use for a lot of these videos has a 60-inch minimum curve. We'll zoom you in here so you can see the specs on this. There we go. Inside the outer carton, 2 more. So this is the powered Legacy here. 253-3511. There's the instructions on it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this is awesome. Midnight Flyer. Yeah, this looks great. Look at that. It has the opening doors. Oh look, even the back door opens. I love the paint scheme. That looks really cool. All the little separate details. Can't wait to get this on the layout. This is going to look great. We'll go ahead and get into the next one. This one says powered as well. Are they dual powered? Guess we're going to find out. Okay, there's the 1031. And finally the PB. There's the specs on the PB unit. There we go. Midnight Flyer 1030B. Okay, we're going to get this one out of the box, and then I'm going to get the turntable, and we'll set one of the PAs on the turntable. Just get a good 360 view of it. I love the separately applied fan that's inside of all 3 units. That's pretty cool. we go. So the other thing too we're going to check is I've got my LED black light. I think this is supposed to have some glow-in-the-dark features. So let's turn off the lights real quick and we'll see what glows. Purple really looks good underneath there. I thought for a second there that was glowing underneath the back. That's the piece of paper. So no glow effects on this one. Huh? All right, folks. So yeah, looking really good. I can't wait to get them on the layout. We're going to run some Halloween train behind it. I know it's the PA, not the FA, which the PA is passenger. Passenger Alco, and then you had the freight Alco. That was the FA. However, this set here set me back quite a bit, and I wasn't going to be able to get both the ABA set along with the passenger cars. So maybe someday, but for now, I'm excited to get these on the layout and get them running a little bit. Okay, so got you over here at the layout. I wanted to just show you a couple things. So first, the features, everything's right on the top here. So this has got the program run if you're wanting to run it in a legacy format. It's got the Bluetooth switch. We have smoke on off, dialogue on off, and signals or signal sounds on off. So quite a few switches on that. I really liked the magnetic lids on some of these. They've gone back to just kind of a standard clip function, which is, you know, you're kind of dropping that kind of coin. I really like the ease of the magnets, but anyway, for the B unit, same thing. Got that right here. Here we have couplers, and this one actually has an extra switch if you want to turn the couplers. I actually moved the couplers to off because I'm not going to mess with those on here. Same ones, dialogue, signals. You have your smoke, which is on, Bluetooth, and then run program. I'm going to be running these in the Cab 3 app from Lionel. I've got an old iPhone, basically. I was able to just utilize for Wi-Fi purposes only. So I downloaded the app on that phone, so I'll be able to show you guys all of the functionality that comes along with that using the app. And then one to show you as well, it just has the 3 switches for the smoke, Bluetooth, and run program as well. It does not have the dialogue and signal sounds switches. So there's obviously not a speaker in here. So that's where the super bass and then the speaker from the front unit will come into play. So we'll put this back in place. I'm going to go ahead and get the smoke unit primed up, and we'll go from there. Okay, so got everything set up while you're on the layout. Here's my old iPhone. So yeah, I was able to actually download the Lionel Cab 3 app. So we're going to go ahead and get the track some power, and then we'll walk through the various horns functions, as well as linking up the locomotives themselves. There we go. So let's see here. We're going to tap here, do a search. We'll go ahead and link this one. That's pretty cool. I do already love the fact that it's got a, let me zoom in a little bit, you can see there's got a black light, purple light inside the locomotive. That's pretty cool. Back that off. Now we'll go back home to the home screen. Okay, so yeah, smoke units are working on all three. I guess I put just a little too much of the smoke fluid in the other two units, but yeah, they are starting to smoke now, so that's good. Here we have the 5 different horns, so we'll go ahead and start with number 1. Oh. Okay, that's just a standard. Got the werewolf. I don't know, I kind of like that first one. Wow, that super bass really comes in on that. Let's go through the bells. We got the ravens or blackbirds. I'm digging the bell on the kind of a deep bell there. I like that. All right, there we go. We'll go back home. That's really cool. Love it. All right. Let's get this thing hooked up to some freight cars, and we'll get running around the layout a few times. Okay, if you've seen one of my other videos, you knew I had to activate the black lights around the layout with this train. So this is gonna be amazing. This is gonna be awesome. Well, there you have it, folks. I think this is pretty awesome. I know it was a little extra money, but I really am digging this, especially with the LED lights on the perimeter of the layout. I think it looks amazing. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the line.